Now, I am presenting another problem with finding the palindrome of the words using while loop. How we can solve this problem by using while loop? Let us consider, take the index of these values as 0 because the list index starts from 0, and I will take it as what? The logic for finding the palindrome from the given list of values, I less than len of lst. There I will write it, if lst of I is equal to lst of I colon minus 1 colon minus 1, close this. There I will print the data, print of lst of I can print it, lst of I. That words are going to be palindrome words. This is another logic which we can list out. Look at this, py, the same program, if you run it, the point is, it is went to the infinite loop. To avoid this, you must have an incrementation here. We must go for an incrementation now. I is equal to, I will go for I is equal to I plus 1. Now try to run this code. Now we are going to get it. The output is something like Madam and Liril. This is comes under the values we are taking and we are getting it. Even we can get it, this value in another way. Let us take this in the another way here. Something like this. List of, I am using comprehensive concept here. str of words for word in input of dot split off, and I will write it, print enter number of words separated by space, then I will get dynamic number of values and then we are going to get it. So try to run this example again. Dynamically we can enter the number of words, enter the number of words separated by space. Sky, space, something like mom, next dad, next race car, Python, next Java, Django, and out of this only few values are palindrome words. So we are getting name words is not defined. So let us see this error and then rectify. Words, I need to use word or words, whichever similar word you use it. Here, try to run it, same input. So we are going to get the palindrome words. This is another logic. Like that, once a problem is given, there are multiple ways are there to provide the solutions to it. Thank you.